compliment of the season is your girl Ify, and you are watching Ify Achisim TV. If this is your first time of clicking on my video, please do not hesitate to subscribe. Hit the red button and make it gray. I'm already feeling the vibes of Christmas all around me. Today we are going to talk about the difference between Christmas back in Nigeria, because I'm from Nigeria and I'm in Italy now, married to an Italian. So I'm going to be talking about the difference between Christmas back in Nigeria and Christmas back in Italy. If you are interested, don't touch the dial. Stay with me, hook with me. Let's go, guys. I'm feeling the vibes, and I know it's already same where you are also. Be happy no matter what it is. Put every sentiment aside and be happy in this season. This is celebration season and you ought to be happy. You need to be happy. You deserve to be happy. Okay, number one in my list, I have my paper here and my pen. So number one in my list is Christmas clothes. Yes, in Africa. Oh my God, Christmas clothes is an hot cake. Like in every parent have to buy their children Christmas clothes. Yes, and if you are that parent that have not buy your child Christmas clothes, it's like you are the poorest of the poorest of the poorest of them all. Yes, and that your child will feel like oh my God, I'm not among people doing Christmas. It's like being even dead. It's as worse as being dead. So every child wants to have Christmas clothes back in Africa. But in Italy here, nothing like yes, we Africa that migrate here, we still do, we still carry out all those things. We have to buy Christmas clothes and Christmas shoe and everything. But for the Italians, it's all about good pajama to be at home, because Christmas in Italy is being at home with the family. Yeah, with the family. So a lot of people are going on shopping for the very best pajama and the top that we call it vestaya. When you are cold, because Christmas season is always cold, you put on the vestaya on your pajama. So that is it. There is nothing like we are going rushing up and down for Christmas clothes. No, it's just the Christmas pajama. And this season in the shop, you see very, very beautiful pajamas for Christmas, well decorated. So we go over to number two. Number two is there is no Mama Anya. Do you know what is Mama Anya? Tell your Igbo sister or your Igbo brother to tell you what it means. Okay, that is a joke. Let me tell you what it means. Mama Anya means Mama, we are here. So in Italy, there is nothing like Mama, we are here. When children back home in Nigeria, kids go to relatives' house and we are here for the Christmas, and you dash out money, relatives give money. But here in Italy, it's either the family, you are with your grandparents, with your mom, or with your granddad, your mom's side or your father's side. In family, they always do things in family, like in celebration. So there is no need, you are not going to one family or the other to ask, we are here, that's just Christmas money. In fact, one thing I know about Europe is that when you give birth or there is a celebration, a lot apart from maybe a matrimony, that is wedding, they put money in envelope to give to people, but other things, like when you give birth or Christmas, people don't just go around giving money. They can give you gifts for Christmas under the Christmas tree, but not money, and you don't go around from houses to houses. That is the number two difference from Christmas in Nigeria and Christmas in Italy. And number three difference is that there is no mothering of chicken. Yes, in Africa now, all the chicken are carrying AK-47. Yes, because they don't want to be murdered. Yes, even the smallest of them, they are all carrying gun. But yeah, chicken, they have rest of mind. They don't have IVP because because here in Italy, we are all about murdering the shrimps, the fishes, the anguillo, and all the everything in the sea. So know, in Nigeria, it's all about killing chicken, some kill ram, cow, and all those things, kill. But here in Italy, it's all about like in another way round, seafood and all those stuff. And it's not the rice and stew you used to know back in Africa, in Nigeria, in my place. Yeah, it's all about spaghetti, lasagna, pasta forno, you know, all those Italian dishes, very, very nice one. They cook with shrimps, fishes, and all other stuff, vongola, cozzi. In short, you will eat until you cannot eat anymore. That's why after Christmas, you see Italians, they are jogging. Yes, they are jogging. They want to like in dimagrire. They want to come down. They want to slim fit after bulldozing all the foods on the table. In fact, on Christmas Day in Italy, you don't go anywhere. Yes, like no, that's the number 4. Like in that of Africa, you go everywhere, disco dance, masquerade chasing you in the villages. You know that vibe with disco everywhere, pang 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 pang. You know, dancing and merriment. Yeah. It's the other way around. You are within the family, or if you don't have your family near you, you are on your own. Tombola, there is something they call like chess. It's like card. You people play with money. Even the small children and the father, the mother, the grandparent, they play together and put money. It's like something like we call it lottery, or something like game. You people play and somebody win the money. That goes on. People eating and all those stuff. That is Christmas for you here. And on Christmas Day, another fact is that you don't go in the wash night going to church. You will be mesmerized with bomb. Even the knockout you see in Africa is a small one. The way you will hear immediately is 12 o'clock. You are in your house, like in following the television to count 1, 2, 3 to it's 12 o'clock. If you are outside, you are dead. You don't. A lot of people you will hardly find people in the church, except you are going to Rome in the Vatican. It's few people you will see in the church, and that 12 o'clock, bagan like this. Everywhere they are shouting, Buon Natale, Happy Christmas in Italy, Buon Natale, Happy Christmas. They are opening wine, jubilating, and you will hear the sound of knockout. It's like marathon, tornado, as if earthquake want to come. Yes, I know it happened also in Africa, and we go to church, people hide while they throw knockout. Yeah, you cannot hide anywhere. If you hide inside the whole self, the knockout and the fireworks will uproot you out and you become pieces. So don't just stay in your house. Fellowship in the computer or in the television is better for you. So that's another fact. Okay, I think the adobant is the next fact. Yes, in Italy, once it's November ending, you know, everywhere you start scenting the Christmas, the shop, they are adobbing everywhere, the parks, the schools, you see Christmas lights. Even when it's in the night, you pass near the schools, you see Christmas light, and everywhere is illuminant. Everywhere is, you see, like you feel that it's celebration time. And your house, even the outside balcony, you and your neighbor, you are competing who will dress more. Some people will even dress up to my neighbor. I don't dress my toilet for Christmas, but my neighbor does, and she will call me, Augustina, come and see, is this toilet beautiful enough? She will adopt a toilet everywhere, even the fork the fork and spoon she will use. Yes, that is Europe for you, Italy here for you in Christmas. Everything is And everything adorable is adopt. Like in everything decoratable is decorated. The outside, the balcony, the garden, and everything. Like in Africa, yes, I remember when I was small, then in Nigeria, my auntie that was a caterer, I was staying in her house. She would do this paper rose. I use it to adorn everywhere, and she was the only one that does that time. Children would be happy to come around to see the decoration in the house, but we don't put up Christmas tree because Christmas tree thing is almost like associated too much with this Europe people, and yeah, it's just something else marvelous and sweet. Christmas is always a blessed time, and it's a joyful time. I know they are different, but home is home. Go to east, west, north, and south. Home is always home. Nigeria is always the sweetest for me. I love the Christmas here, but I still love the Christmas back home. I hope you enjoy watching. This is the different, in the little different. I know we're doing about the Christmas back in Nigeria and the Christmas here in Italy where I live. So I hope you enjoy watching. Christ is the reason for the celebration. Do not forget, let's celebrate and have in mind that Christ came, he was born, and he came, he died for us, for our salvation. So guys, see you on my next video. Thank you for watching up to this extent. And if you have not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe to my family. Let's grow together. So guys, see you on my next video. And I will never go without giving you a kiss. A very big kiss from you, from the bottom of my heart. Mwah. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye.